All right, so we've got our track system up. Now we're gonna go ahead and start prepping the lights. What's nice with these, especially with the 2-part track, it doesn't matter which way I put them in, they're gonna work right. Oh, that's our singles. They're just a little coax connection. There's also a little arrow on there so we can know which way we gotta go.